Microsoft is redefining how marketing teams interact with CRMs. Through Microsoft Dynamics 365 Marketing, marketers are now able to harness the powers of generative AI through Copilot. This may sound scary, and rightfully so, because generative AI is so new that a lot of people have questions like, what capabilities does Copilot have in D365 Marketing? How can Copilot save me time and energy? Or even, how much money can Copilot really save me on marketing? Let's talk about how Copilot in marketing is going to change how marketers can get work done, and how organizations can save money on marketing efforts instantly. Nowadays, people want the companies they buy from to really know their tastes, a kind of super personal touch. But the problem is this information on these customers is typically in a database that's managed by tech whizzes. Pulling this info out and making sense of it can take ages, which slows down the process of giving these customers the personal touch they're looking for. Here is where Copilot comes in. Lets marketers chat with customer data in everyday language in order to create faster market discovery. With simple prompts, marketers can explore, understand, and predict customer preferences and needs in real time, reducing the reliance on the data and analytics teams to provide them for the customer insights they need. Copilot lets marketers make decisions based on their data to tailor the customer interactions. They can build trust by checking out and finding customer insights that help build their marketing plans. For example, a marketer could ask Copilot something like, how many of our customers live in a certain city that are over the age of 25 and purchased a certain product in the last 12 months? In just a few clicks, Copilot would show the different customers that fit the bill. For cutting out the need for different SQL queries, Copilot in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights gives marketers the ability to add these personal touches that customers want, and to do it faster on a bigger scale. Side note, it may even give you insights you didn't ask for, which I guess is a good thing. Anyways, I think another feature that is highly anticipated, especially when considering the typical capabilities of generative AI, is the content creation capabilities of Copilot. This is way more than just simply writing emails for you. Marketers can use Copilot to create email campaign content with creative images and designs that Copilot finds are successful. Microsoft says they spent 10 months working with hundreds of preview customers, gathering and analyzing marketing emails to tune this model. The feature generates custom suggestions that you can review and edit, much like brainstorming with a teammate. To use content idea generation, you can select the button in the email editor toolbox or the Copilot button above editing text to open the Copilot help pane. Based on your email content, the Copilot will automatically fill in the recommended key points in order to give you new ideas. You can then refine them to your needs. If your email is empty, then you could select a topic from the suggested topics by Copilot or select custom. If you select one of the suggested topics, then Copilot will automatically fill out the key points for you, and then you can update these as needed. Whoa. Don't get ahead of yourself now. You're smart enough to know that you need more than just great content. You need to find the people that your content is for. But you knew that. Copilot can instantly create customer segments too. Marketers now have a handy little tool called Query Assist. Query Assist is a feature in Dynamics 365 Marketing that uses generative AI capabilities to help marketers create targeted customer segments using conversational everyday language. Did you know that? I bet you didn't know that. With Query Assist, marketers can create accurate rules with less effort, allowing them to spend more time building customer relationships and less time building complex segments from scratch. Essentially, this just means you tell Copilot, hey Copilot, I want to create a segment for all my contacts that live in DC and like dogs. And Copilot will look at you and say, okay, here are all the contacts that live in DC and recently purchased a dog toy. Oh, and these contacts purchased dog food. And these people subscribe to your last dog email campaign. I hope this makes sense, otherwise I'm just sitting here talking nonsense about dog toys. The upgraded Query Assist feature allows you to build real-time segments using more powerful AI, ultimately providing more accurate results for your queries. The reason they're more accurate is because you can be confident that there weren't any contacts missed because of human error or missing a certain detail. Gone are the days of building these complex queries and then adding those records to your segments. All of these capabilities are designed to decrease the time it takes to create marketing campaigns and get the materials out to the right audiences. The typical organization reports that most marketing campaigns take anywhere between 4 to 6 weeks to develop, and some taking even up to 6 months. With Copilot, the time spent on campaign idea generation, the time spent on the campaign content creation, and the time spent on the campaign audience identification can be shortened dramatically. A rough draft of a plan for all of these items can be created in a few hours. Now, I would never recommend that an organization trust these materials outright without any sort of review, but there is a clear business value proposition in speeding up these processes to save time and money. It does not take a scientist to know that saving time and money on the marketing efforts is going to boost business. Plus, at the end of the day, everyone understands that marketing efforts are designed to drive sales. If you want to see how Copilot can actually drive revenue in Dynamics 365 sales, you're going to want to check out this video here. If you made it this far in the video, consider letting me know down in the comments down below. I truly read every single one, and reading those is definitely the best part about making these videos. My name is Griffin Lickfelt, the host of Citizen Developer, and I'm excited to connect with you guys in the next one.